Hello everyone, Just here from GHANAIAN, bringing you the latest news updates from Ghana. Today, we focus on a pressing economic issue that affects all Ghanaians. On May 28, 2024, recent financial data revealed that the per capita national debt for Ghanaians has reached an alarming figure of GHC 19,671. This statistic highlights the growing economic challenges the country faces as it grapples with rising public debt. The calculation of the per capita debt is based on the total national debt, which has seen a significant increase over the past few years. Several factors contribute to this rise, including extensive borrowing for infrastructure projects, social intervention programs, and efforts to stabilize the economy during global financial instabilities. With every Ghanaian effectively owing nearly GHC 20,000, the government's fiscal policies and debt management strategies need urgent reassessment to avoid a debt crisis. Economic analysts like Dr. Ama Namache have expressed concern over the sustainability of this debt level. The government has responded with measures aimed at boosting revenue through improved tax collection and broadening the tax base. Additionally, there are ongoing efforts to secure better terms for existing loans and attract foreign investment to stimulate economic growth. We are implementing strategic economic policies to enhance growth and ensure that our debt remains sustainable. It is crucial that we work together as a nation to navigate these challenging times. Despite these assurances, many Ghanaians are feeling the impact of the nation's debt burden in their daily lives. Increased taxation and inflation have contributed to higher living costs, sparking widespread concern and debate over the government's economic management. As the government seeks to balance debt repayment with economic development, the challenge remains to ensure that the benefits of borrowed funds translate into tangible improvements in the livelihoods of Ghanaians. The coming months will be critical in determining how effectively Ghana can manage its debt and sustain economic growth without overburdening its citizens. That's all for today's update. Stay tuned to GHANAIAN for more news and insights on important issues affecting Ghana and beyond. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates.